Well, hey there everybody. Today I found some border tubes at an antique store. Got a decent price for them. Like these ruby red ones, huh? He said they worked. He said he tried them out, tested them, but you never really know when you're buying. I forgot to bring my tester with me, you know. But I'm gonna get these out of here, hopefully without breaking them, and give them a test to see if they work. All right. Need 2 hands for that. All right, so I got them out without breaking them, and so we can take a good look here. I guess they're probably about. Looks like they're made out of 2 sticks, probably close to 8 feet long. Yeah, just shy of 8 feet for these 3 longer ones, and this shorter one's about 7.5. So we got two clear glass neon, I would imagine, and then 2 ruby red, and see if it'll work. Nice. Yep. So those ruby red are pumped with neon as well. So 4 tubes. They're 8 feet long. Some of the clear ones. One of the clear ones I'm going to use for the Dundee parking arrow on the short side, just to get that lit up for fun. It's actually 10 feet long, but a little better than not lit up. So this short one actually has is a Technolux. Actually has a mark imprint on the tube. There. Technolux ruby red neon. You can't really read it very well. This one over here too. Under all the pigeon poop. Ruby red neon. This ruby red does not have markings on it. But that's pretty cool. These clear glass, you can see, have been broken and repaired a couple times. But or maybe they were just spliced together that way. But clear glass doesn't really matter. Easy to repair. So put that one on that side, and we'll see how it looks. Also, I was thinking about it. These Technolux ruby reds, they come in 5-foot sticks. So to make an 8-foot border tube, you'd only need 1 splice, like there or there. But these clear glass, 15 millimeters, would only come in 4-foot length. So to make an 8-foot border tube, you need just a little more than 2 sticks, since the double backs, you know, take up I don't know, maybe 3 inches or so on the either end. So that would explain it, why there's 2 welds on each one. Just got to think about it for a little bit. All right, well, it's a couple feet short on the far end, but it works. I got the original tube, just the housing bends were broken off, and at some point I'll also have to fix that. You can currently see the sign's kind of used as a table for tubes at the moment, but was being a little neglected. Thought I'd give it a little bit of love. Let's see what we got. See if it works. 3, 2, 1. Nice. I like it. Good stuff. Not sure what I'm going to do with the other ones. I don't know, maybe I'll hang them on the wall or something. You can never have too much neon, right? Alright guys, well, that's about it for this one. Just a quick little video about some fun antique store finds. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for future updates and more neon related videos. And we'll see you next time.